So welcome back to our field of Dawson here in North Yorkshire. I'm Craig Chisholm, Field Technical Manager for Fungicides at Corteva Agriscience. Standing here on the 5th of May, and the crop now is got leaf 2 fully out, and we're just starting to see the flag leaf poking through. Disease levels, we are seeing a bit of septoria on leaf 5, final leaf 5, and we've got a stripe or two of yellow rust showing on final leaf 4. We're fortunate that we've had a decent rain splash event here in the last couple of days, so that will have carried the septoria up the plant. It's something we're going to have to consider ahead of our flag spray. And thinking about that now, the yield potential which was clearly in this crop is likely to be realised now that we've had a decent splash of rain and there are more showers forecast. We need to take into account the disease we've got here, and particularly if we've used triazole SDHI at T1, think about changing the chemistry to a different mode of action at T2 as part of our anti-resistance strategy. So given the yield potential and the fact that we're sort of 10 days away from our flag spray and the persistence that we are going to want to carry that through to realizing the yield in the combine at the end of the day, we're probably thinking of going with Univoc here rather than at the 1.25 litres that we would have considered previously. I think now we can justify 1.5 litres as our choice in order to ensure that the potential that we've got here is realised.